Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your DC Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in DC Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.dcbank.ca.login. Click on that link. You'll be taken to the official website of Digital Bank. Over here you can either log in with your corporate client to access account and payment processing platform, or log in for prepaid card client to access statements and manage card. For now I'm going for corporate client. Again you will be taken to the new interface. Over here you just need to enter the email address. Similarly enter your password over here and click on I'm not a robot button. And once you click on login button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.